Hello everyone. So in today's tutorial, we're going to be creating a pop art texture to this photo. Now the first thing to get started is to turn this image that we imported into Photoshop into a new layer. So we're just going to click on this lock sign here, and then this is going to be turned into a layer. Now we're going to go here in your menu bars up on the screen, and we're going to click on image and adjustments. In the adjustment section, we're going to select threshold. So what this will give us is the black and white scale, and we're going to adjust this to have enough amount of detail on the face of the portrait that we have, and also have some of the details in the hair as well. So this is really based on your own decision of how much you want to adjust this. I think I'm gonna keep it somewhere around here, and then click OK. Now we're going to see these extra textures on the corners of this image. So the way to remove these is we're going to create a new layer first. So down here in the layers section, we're going to click the new layer option, and we have created a new layer. And we're going to take the lasso tool, the polygonal lasso tool, and we're going to select this area, and you can just go over the details of the hair. I'm not going to be really precise, but just to clear this section out. So I'm going to select this area, and then we want to turn this into the same blank white background. So we're going to select a piece from the background, and then by having these two selected, I'm going to right click in this area, and you're going to go to fill, and here in the fill, make sure the contents is set to white. On default, it might be set to content aware, so change that to white and leave the rest the way it is. Click OK, and we'll see that it's replaced with the same white background that we selected. We're going to do the same on this side, so we're just going to select this area and right click, fill, same setting, and we're going to click OK. So we have that extra texture deleted and replaced with a white background. Now you can do the same with any other areas in your image. If you're using a different image, you might have some of the textures here in the background. You can do the same replacement setting. Okay, so now that we have this image in black and white, we can see a good amount of details in the hair. We're going to go into the layer section, and we're going to click new adjustment layer. So we're going to create a new layer to do the gradient map adjustments. We're going to click on gradient map, and we're going to click OK to create a new layer. Now, whatever we have here in this scale, the gradient map, the colors that we choose and the way that the presets are placed, any preset that we choose is going to be applied to this image. So I'm going to leave it at the 2-point gradient. We're just going to click on this small square here to adjust the color. The color is, you can select any color you want. This will be the base color, so your darkest areas will be set on this color. So try to select a dark color for this part. I'm going to keep it on the gray side, so this should be fine. And then on this end of the gradient scale, your bright color, that's the one that's going to be selected. So just click on this square and then this color button here, so we can pick any color we want. Now you can choose any color you prefer, so you can go with the red. Any bright and also any white areas in your image will be replaced with this color. So we can do yellow, green. Now this is really up to you, and any color that you want to choose, it will be selected. So let's just choose, let's go with the yellow, click OK. Just look over, see if you have any details here. Yep. And we're done. You're good to save and export this image in any format that you'd like and use it. Thank you.